Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add a digital receptionist in the 3CX admin console. To start, log in to 3CX. Go to the 3CX admin console. Select the Call Handling tab. Press this button to create a digital receptionist. Configure the general settings. Choose a name for your digital receptionist. Upload a prompt in the WAV file format and select it from the drop-down menu. You could optionally assign DID numbers to route directly to your digital receptionist. If you do this, calls will skip any office hours you have set up and will always be routed to this DID number. Select the action and destination for each key you want to set up. You can set each key to be connected to an extension, a ring group, a call queue, a voicemail, or to another digital receptionist. Other useful options to select include setting a key to repeat the prompt or end the call. You could optionally configure where calls will route based on office hours, including when the office is closed, on break, or on holiday. Go to the Options tab to configure some additional settings. If you desire to set up where SMS messages will be forwarded, select an extension from the drop-down menu. Set the invalid input destination if you'd like the digital receptionist to go to an extension instead of repeating the prompt. Set the number of seconds for when there is no input from the caller and select where you will then send the call. By default, it will end the call after 60 seconds of no input. Save your digital receptionist when you're done. Congratulations! You have successfully added a digital receptionist in the 3CX admin console. Check back for more useful videos on 3CX as we're frequently publishing new content.